In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature into your Microsoft Word document. This process can be incredibly useful for adding a personal touch or formalizing documents that need your signature. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have a clear photo or a scanned copy of your signature saved on your computer. This will make the process much smoother. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Word file. Once you have your document ready, you'll want to focus on where exactly you'd like your signature to appear. Having this in mind will make the insertion process more efficient. Now, once you're in your document, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll see several options up there, but the one we're interested in is Insert. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a new range of options. With the Insert menu now open, locate and select Picture. This will allow you to bring in an image from your device. Be sure to choose From Device, as this gives you access to your computer's storage where your signature image should be saved. Now comes the fun part, browsing through your files to find the right image. Once you've found your signature image, simply select it and click Insert. This action will place the signature right in your document where your cursor was last positioned. Now, sometimes when inserting a scanned signature, the image may have a dark or colored background that you'd prefer not to have. Don't worry, Word can help you adjust that easily. Click on the image of your signature, and this will open the Picture Format tab on the top toolbar. Inside this tab, look for the option that says Color. Click on it and you'll see several presets for adjusting the color of your image. If you want to eliminate any unwanted background colors, select the black and white 75% option. This adjustment cleverly desaturates the image, often improving the contrast between your signature and the background, highlighting the strokes of your signature against a clean, white background. And that's it. You've successfully inserted your signature into your Word document. If needed, you can click and drag to move the image or resize it by grabbing the corners of the image to ensure that it perfectly fits into your document layout. It's really as simple as that. By following these straightforward steps, you can now add a professional or personal touch to any Microsoft Word document, tailoring it to suit your needs. With this skill under your belt, signing online documents becomes a breeze, making your workflow even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit subscribe for more helpful tutorials.